Hello everyone, Daily Arts by Rahul. Subscribe and enjoy by watching the video. Like and share with your friends. First of all, draw the pencil art of Santa. Now after that, outline the drawing with black sketch or marker. Draw the eyes very carefully so that it will have a finishing touch. After that, draw the body so carefully. Hands, face, mouth, teeth. Fill it with black color. Now dress, body parts, pockets, outfit, hands. Just draw carefully and slowly with a finishing touch. Legs, shoes, color the shoes in black color. Both legs, shoes, Santa's bag. Lovely. Now take sketch and color the specs with black sketch. Slowly and properly fill it with black color. Subscribe to our channel. Just fill it all. Now put red colors on Santa's bag and cap. So lovely, wow. After that, put yellow color into the eyes and face. Be careful while filling it with color so that the outer area will not cover and it will not mesh up. Smudge proof color. Beautiful. Hands in yellow color. So lovely. Wow. Next, blue color into the dress to complete the Santa. Wow, so amazing. It is very easy to paint. So easy to paint, beautiful with finishing touch. Slowly, just fill all the section properly. Amazing, you did it. Wow. Subscribe our channel and like and share, and please share the bell icon